Part 2, Toyota MR2. What are we doing? Disassembling the interior. Here's some of the parts we're taking out. If you want any of them, come get them, because we're going to throw it all away. So we got most of the carpet, interior, all that stuff out. Now we're just working on getting the dashboard out. As you can see, Brett is hard at work. And I'm hard at work filming. So we're gonna crack on here and try to get this dashboard out and all the wiring and get it ready for the cage, which is going to happen in 2 weeks. See you in a bit. Okay, interior has been pretty much completely removed. Here's a look at it. Let's head to the other side. Okay, door glass is out. Pretty much all the wiring's been cut out, except for the headlight harness right there. Looks pretty good, just a little bit of rust right there in the floor pan. Tiny bit of surface rust there. Here's the back part. You can see right there where we just cut all the wiring going back to the engine harness. Okay, that is pretty much it. Here's everything we took out. Dash, gauge, everything. You can see it. Okay, there's the wiring harness. All right, next step, cage builder. See you in part 3. Hi, Brett.
Hey.